Good day. For today, we're going to try the Turks style shawarma. Why is it called Turks style? Because in Turks, they use ground beef dyan sa Pilipinas. So, para sa ating ground beef, so ginisa natin to sa bawang sibuyas. Naglagay tayo ng salt, pepper, brown sugar, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. Then we have here our shawarma sauce, so mayonnaise, garlic, salt, pepper, and sugar. We have our fresh tomatoes, white onions, cucumber, and I've added fried potato cubes. Kasi dapat gagawin ko siyang torta. Pero dahil no rice muna tayo, gagamit tayo ngayon ng kubus. Pinapainit natin yung ating pan. So kuha lang tayo ng isang kubus or yung flatbread dito. So ito medyo makapal. Add lang tayo ng ating meat. So make sure lang na malinis ang kamay. Yan natin ang mga 2 strips or 3 ng ating then our tomatoes, our onion. So make sure lang na malinis ang kamay. And then lagay lang tayo ng potato. Then we're gonna add our sauce. Then wrap this one.